concatenate. The function of concatenate in Excel spreadsheet is to combine multiple texts into a single cell. Suppose Deep Kumar Singh. Here is an example, Deep Kumar Singh. So we need to join in a single cell like this. So it will appear like this, Deep Kumar Singh. So how to do this? With the help of concatenate function in Excel. Let's see another example. Suppose that is Raj Kumar Sen. Now we need to put the concatenate formula here, equals to concatenate. Okay. Now you need to select the first text, then comma, and you want a space in between three texts, like in between Raj and Kumar there will be one space, and in between Kumar and Sen there will be one space. So to put a space here with double quote here, space, now comma, then second text, comma, again double quote, space, double quote, comma, and then select the third text, then close the first bracket and press enter. So it came Raj Kumar Sen. So in between Raj and Kumar there is a space. If you don't put this space, then space will not come here. Since this is name and we want to keep one space, so this is the formula. Alternatively, you can one thing you can do. Alternatively, there is a formula, equals to select text and within double quote space and select second text and within double quote space and third text and press enter. So it came the same result we can get. So there are two formulas with the help of this concatenate formula, and this is a simple version. This is the alternative way. Now I will show how to select a mid letter. Suppose we want from this cell the mid letter here. So put this formula, equals to mid tab. Now select the text, this text, comma, now the start number. So from left hand side, where from you can start. Suppose I want to start from RAJ space key after key, that means from U, that means 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is sixth letter. From sixth letter I want to start, and then character, how many letters or character. Suppose I need 3 character, then close the bracket and press enter. You see this UMA, this 3 letter came because from this Rajkumar it starts from U. After K it starts from the 6th digit, so U, and starting from U 3 characters or 3 letters I wanted to filter out. So UMA, this came. This is another command in Excel. So this is to filter out the mid characters from any text from any cell we can define here. If we suppose if it is 4, then UMAR, so total 4 characters came like this. So if we start from, suppose instead of 6, suppose from 3, then you can see 3 means RAJ, from J. So J 1 character, then space is second character, then K and U. So total 4 characters. So J space K U. So this is how you can extract the mid characters of any text with the help of Excel.